Video.
Hey guys, Heather VanderMyde and Kiirsten Farr. Today is open house Tuesday or Wednesday. What day is today?
Wednesday.
It's so crazy right now. So we've got 3 soundfront properties on Roanoke Island for you to see. Right now we're at 1137 Burnside Road. It is a wonderful property, 26,000 square feet, built in 1976. But the effective year is 2014, so it's been totally gutted, remodeled, and you have to see this house. The view is amazing. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
The yard has been totally landscaped, 400 feet of water frontage, canal and sound front. Upgraded vinyl, sturdy vinyl siding. And now we're in the foyer, so let's let Kiirsten take over.
Yeah, so we've got an open concept floor plan here. They did a great job with the remodel. You know, with the family room, dining room, and wait until you see the kitchen. There are gleaming bamboo floors, this beautiful elongated island, all new stainless steel appliance suite, and custom hickory cabinets. They are beautiful. So just spacious, it's bright, and the water views are just spectacular from everywhere in the house. You're gonna love it.
Yes, it is. And you've got a wine cooler here and soft close cabinets, so I just love this.
Yeah.
That's what I need. And for my children that are banging the cabinets coming in and out.
They did a fantastic job with this area. It's like a wine coffee bar, so, you know, just every touch, every detail, they nailed it. They really nailed it.
And I love the kitchen and baths in this house because the ceramic tile, the backsplash, they did a great job of picking out those selections there.
Yeah, very modern colors. It's just, it's exquisite. Fantastic.
We also have a utility room off the kitchen here, so it's really easy to wash your linens. And then outside, we have a beautiful, well, I guess guys would say beautiful for this part.
Man garage.
It is pristine, so it's a 2-car garage. And the sellers just did a great job thinking of everything they would need. It's just in great condition. It also has a garage door that leads to the sound. So if you wanted to take your kayaks or mow the lawn in the back, it's easy access. So that's really nice as well. And we'll go inside and look at the bedrooms. So Kiirsten, you want to, let's add that.
Yeah, so I do want to point out all the extra pantries and closet storage, which is fantastic. You can never have enough, in my opinion. Let's go check out the bedrooms on the ground floor here. We've got 2 bedrooms here. One is a queen that will use this updated bath. You got to check out the shower. It's gorgeous. These lights are on timers, so they keep going out on me. So beautiful shower there. And then this master ensuite has another updated bathroom, beautiful water views, and walk-in closet. So you could wake to that every morning and watch sunsets in the evening.
Hot tub, I love that. And this is a private deck for the master, which is really nice.
Cool. Yeah, they did think of everything. Beautiful wood floors in this room.
These are the
Hardwood original wood floors. Yes. All right. So they did an extensive remodel, as Heather mentioned earlier. Let's go upstairs so you can see the new addition.
You've also got a nice coat closet, pretty spacious here. So again, like Kiirsten said, lots of storage. So hardwood staircase. And every room has a view up here. It's great. Laminate flooring. And there's also, they did 2 geothermal systems in this house, which are pretty expensive. They last longer. They save you. They're great on keeping costs low. So that's a very nice feature that you don't see in a lot of homes.
Yeah, they're pretty rare. Definitely help on the energy efficiency.
So this is 1 bedroom. There are 3 bedrooms on this floor, and geothermal system is in here. So again, just really nice.
I love the colors, just the modern driftwood look up here that they used in the flooring. And another beautiful bathroom. Ceramic tile, the shower's gorgeous, double vanity, counter height, crown molding.
So don't let the year scare you. 1976 was the original home, but again, this effective year is 2014, so it's turnkey, ready to go.
Pretty fun. We've got a laundry chute here, so you know the laundry goes down straight to the laundry room. Great feature.
Yep. And this is the 2nd bedroom on the top floor. Again, great views. And we love this part of the house. So Kiirsten, I'll let you show this.
Yeah, so they built an addition over the garage, and they bumped out this room, so they've got an office space, if you will, right outside of the master of all master suites. Additional closets again. And more water views. So, you know, from every room in the house, this is what you get. We've got built-in drawers and storage, a walk-in closet, and a sensational modern bathroom with soaking jacuzzi tub and sliding barn door, glass door there on your shower. Love this space. What are the height of these ceilings? I mean, they're
very,
they're what? I mean,
9, 12.
12?
Yeah.
They're high.
So it's
Hey,
really...
check out this fan. I love this fan. Not to make you guys dizzy.
Yeah, I love that fan.
Yeah.
I could get used to waking up to this every morning or soaking in the tub looking over the water there.
I do miss living on the water. That is for sure.
So we want to show you the best part of all, one of our favorite features. So let's go out and take a look at the water.
Yeah.
Oh, sunroom too. We'll go in that way. We'll show
Oh
you
yeah.
sunroom.
Oh yeah. It's like being on a cruise ship. No
Yeah.
doubt.
So again, 400 feet, newer bulkhead, sturdy pier. They've thought of everything. They've got little stairs down to the water. It is the perfect place to hang out with your family and have a lot of fun.
Yeah. Lots of great family times here. Grilling out and on the water and sunset. So we'll go downstairs and show you the yard a little bit.
Outdoor shower, huge yard. Nice elevation here. They brought in more sand so that keeps the lot is higher, so that really helps as well. And again, no water has ever gotten in the house, so that's really a good feature as well. You feel pretty safe here. So there is the dock, and you even have
the stairs.
yeah, the cool stairs that you can flip down for your kids. And the sunsets here are amazing. So beautiful. Those famous Outer Banks sunsets.
Yep, pretty magical. No doubt.
So you have to keep this house in mind. And if you'd like to set up a private tour, please call Kiirsten and I. We'd love to help you. And
Hey, I want to go into the sunroom actually.
yeah.
Yes, we've got our favorite room last. Let's just tag that on.
Thank you.
We came in a little backwards, but we wanted to save this room for last. So this is right off the family room and dining room and kitchen. There's a gas log fireplace here, and these doors typically stay open, and they use this for just an expansive television family room. But you feel like you're on a cruise ship. I mean, there's just windows across the whole back of the house. It's so much fun, and my favorite room.
Yeah, and the windows are tinted, so you don't get all the UV rays coming in, so it's nicer and keeps the room cooler as well.
Yeah, it is really cool in here.
All right.
All right. Well, Heather already closed, so we'd
gonna
love
go
to hear from you.
And we're going to go take a look at our second Soundfront home for the day, so stay tuned for 158 Battlefield Court.
You'll love it.